again, the point comes here. So many students, they keep on reading newspapers morning, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours they spend on newspapers. They keep writing lot of notes. In your case, it is a kind of a shortcut for you that instead of newspapers, you followed one specific magazine. Is it like that you started preparing notes from that magazine for your current affairs so that you can revise those current affairs in your notes regularly? You revise them so that you'll not be missing anything. Have you prepared any kind of a notes like that?
Not really. I think there was an initial time when I started reading these monthly magazines when I made a few notes, thinking that it will help me at the main stage. But it
Mm.
wasn't a regular habit that I could develop because it took too much effort and time. And then I thought that uh, already magazines are in a concise form. For
Mm.
example, the year-long compilations that come, they're already 100 pages or 110 pages for the
Mm.
entire year. And I felt that making even shorter notes of that is probably not the best idea. Then I would be
Right,
losing
right,
whatever essence is left of it anyways. So
right.
that's why I didn't make those current affair notes, not until interview, like I said. But what I did was during my mains time, there are again mains relevant current affairs magazines as well. From
Mm.
that, what I would do is I would extract important data points, important statistics, important committee names that come related to any
Mm.
topic, and that would
Mm.
be like 1-2 pages from each magazine, and that would
Mm.
be just like fodder for my mains answers. So that is some level of note making that I did, but yeah, not again from the point of view of prelims per se.